This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Bashardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. The resurgent euro, which has been rallying on the back of recovery hopes for the Eurozone economy, got another shot in the arm on Thursday after the European Central Bank delivered a bigger-than-expected stimulus. The ECB boosted its Pandemic Emergency Purchase Program, or PEP, by a bigger-than-expected 600 billion euros. And while the ECB sharply lowered its economic projections, President Lagarde pointed to some signs that the downturn is bottoming out. Her comments underscored the central theme that's been driving risk assets higher over the past month, and that is a recovery, whatever shape or form, will come in the second half of 2020. Investors' growing confidence that the worst is over propelled the euro to 3-month highs versus the dollar, coming within sight of the $1.14 level on Friday. The increasing optimism wasn't confined to the euro, as all majors, as well as emerging market currencies, advanced against the mighty US dollar. The Australian dollar was testing the psychologically important 0.70 level, even as Sino-US tensions linger in the background. Sterling was also able to enjoy some positive momentum despite Brexit concerns, as it surged past the $1.26 level to reach a near 3-month peak. Negotiators from Britain and the EU have been unable to resolve differences on key issues after a week of talks. With the end of June deadline for extending the UK's transition period fast approaching, an EU summit in 2 weeks' time may be the last hope for a breakthrough. In contrast, the dollar sagged, with its index against a basket of currencies on track for a 7th straight session of losses. The non-farm payrolls report for May, due out of the U.S. later today, is unlikely to be able to provide much support, even if America's jobless rate doesn't jump to almost 20%, as is being anticipated. After a brief wobble this week on doubts about whether OPEC and its allies will be able to reach a deal on extending their output cuts, oil prices are on the up again. The OPEC Plus group of countries were due to hold a meeting on Thursday, but it has now been postponed to June 6th. An extension of at least 1 month is looking increasingly certain, and that should support oil's rally for a while longer. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.